Now let us show you further that Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh are mortal. After that we will show you in Srimad Bhagavad Gita that they are born from goddess Durga and Kal. Please see this. Srimad Devi Bhagavat, published from Geeta Press, Gorakhpur, editor Hanuman Prasad Poddar, Chimanlal Goswami. We will show you on its page 123 just a little bit. On page 123. Now Lord Vishnu, while praising his mother Durga, is saying, "You are a pure figure. This entire world is arising from you alone. I, Brahma and Shankar, we all exist by your grace. We are Avirbhav, meaning birth, and Tirobhav, meaning death. Only you are eternal, the mother of the universe, Prakriti, and eternal goddess." Do remember this word Prakriti for Durga. Lord Shankar said, "Goddess, if the highly fortunate Vishnu has appeared from you, then Brahma, who was born after him, is also your son. Then does this not make me, Shankar, who performed Tamoguni spectacle, your child too? Meaning you have created me too, Shive. You cleverly create this entire world." The concept has been clarified. Your qualities are always capable in the creation, regulation, destruction of this world. Born of these very gunas, we Brahma, Vishnu and Shankar are always eager to perform our prescribed duties. We can only give the result of the work performed. We cannot change anyone's fate. Now 4 concepts have been clarified with this. In these few lines of this holy Devi Puran, 4 concepts have been clarified. First is Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh are mortal. They take birth and die. Second is that their mother is goddess Durga. The third is that Rajgun is Brahma, Satgun is Vishnu, Tamgun is Shiv. And the fourth is that they can only give the result of the work performed. That is, they can only give the result of whatever you have done. They cannot make any amendment in it. And even the 5th one has been clarified. The Durga is also called Prakriti. Now please see Holy Srimad Bhagavad Gita. It has been published from Geeta Press, Gorakhpur. Its translator is Jai Dayal Goenka. Now in chapter 14, 3 verses will clarify this concept. It is a code word. It is a brief description of all 4 Vedas in a very concise form. Now see from here. This is Chatur Dashodhyay, chapter 14 and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. See here from verse 3. O Arjun, my primeval Brahma form, original Prakriti. Actually, they have translated it incorrectly here. We will just see from this. Prakriti is the yoni, that is womb of all the living beings, and I place the seed in that womb. Tatah means from that union. Tatah means from that all the living beings are born. And in the 4th, O Arjun, in various forms of life, whatever living beings are born, Durga, Prakriti is their mother who conceives all of them, and I am the seed-laying father. Kal is saying this, and it has been clarified in 5th. O Arjun, Satgun, Rajgun and Tamgun, these are born from Prakriti. Aha! Born from Durga, these 3 gunas, qualities, Rajgun, Brahma, Satgun, Vishnu, Tamgun, Shivji. Born from Prakriti, these 3 gunas bind the immortal soul to the body. Now Kal has washed his hands of it by saying that Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh have bound the soul here according to one's deeds. Now pious souls, this is called true spiritual knowledge. And he is called a true guru who himself fully understands and explains the holy scriptures. And by souls, it is your good luck that you have come so early at this God's feet. These virtuous souls who in huge herds have got stuck with fake gurus, when they will realize the truth, they will sit and cry that how they have cheated us, and they all. That these unworthy people have ruined us, they spoiled their deeds, and at the same time they got stuck with the devil's trap. Pious souls, those days are not far when there will be no space to place your foot here. No one is a fool today. When for our personal benefit we are ready to do anything, then to attain God, won't we abandon those fake gurus? The day they get enlightened, not even a single person will be there. Those fake gurus will either be found sitting alone or their preachers would be found sitting there. Rest all will come running over here.